Today we're in a lychee farm, and there are also mangoes and lychees. So here are some lychees. They're so nice and sweet.
The lychees are high, so I'm jumping to try to get them. The lychee tree is actually high. And in life, sometimes things are challenging, and then you need extra help, extra efforts for people that you know so then they can help you.
I'm climbing on the tree here, and I feel so good. This is the way you peel the lychee, then you eat it. So I'm peeling it right now. And then you eat it. Very sweet. Look at that machine. And you have to wash the seed and plant it. After you plant it, then it will grow into a new lychee. And then it will become again and again. Then it will become a cycle.